malaking disadvantage. Advantage lang na, well, if you can call it that, pero it's timely lang naman eh. Kasi parang kumbaga generation naman yan. Yung mga dating mother roles na nagma-mother role sa akin, parang lola naman sila ngayon, di ba? Ganun yun eh. So parang change lang of the guards per generation. So kaya nabanggit ko yun kasi parang na-realize ko na with doing You're My Home na, oh, ito na nga talaga.
Ano yung eto na ko talaga?
Ito na nga, parang I'm here na, I'm in this
Next level na.
Next level na ako. So, and I don't mean it in a negative way. Like some people might,
Correct.
like they're afraid of it.
sila.
I'm not afraid of it. This is something I look forward to and I relish it. Because like I said, I learned something from it. I'm also a mother now, but my children are very small. Diba? Maliit pa sila eh. So, iba yung experiences ko sa kanila in terms of my mothering. But when I am playing a mother role with actors like them of their age, diba? May mga natututunan ako. Yung joke nga namin ni Richard eh, like yung eksena ni Grace na ayaw namin kay Christian pero in love na siya kay Grace at ipinaglalaban niya si Christian. Parang